the important current affairs. The important current affairs. India's first question. India's first grain ATM set up in Gurugram in Haryana. Now question from Haryana. The present CM, Chief Minister of Haryana, present CM of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, and present Governor of Haryana, Bandaru Dattatreya, the present Governor of Haryana. Now next question from Kakatiya Rudreshwar Temple. Kakatiya Rudreshwar Temple, also known as Ramappa Temple of Telangana, declared World Heritage Site of India. World Heritage Site of India in 2021. Now question from Telangana. The present CM of Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the present Chief Minister of Telangana State. Now Governor of Telangana State, Tamilisai Soundarajan. She was the first woman governor of Telangana. Governor of Telangana. Now next question. Dholavira Harappan site of Gujarat declared World Heritage Site of India in 2021. Now at present there are 40 40 World Heritage Sites in India at present. 40 World Heritage Site India. And on 18th April, World Heritage Site Day. World Heritage Site Day on 18th April. Now next question. The Union Territory Ladakh, the Union Territory Ladakh declared snow leopard as the state or UT animal, and black-necked crane as declared as the state bird. Now snow leopard, the state animal of UT animal of the Ladakh, and black-necked crane, crane, is the state bird of Ladakh. Now next question from Ladakh. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, present. The Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Radhakrishna Mathur. Present Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Radhakrishna Mathur. The present Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Radhakrishna Mathur. Now Noakhali festival, NAUKH, Noakhali festival of Odisha, Noakhali festival of Odisha is celebrated Noakhali festival of Odisha. Now present question, Odisha. Now present Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, the present Chief Minister of Odisha, and present Governor of Odisha, Ganeshi Lal, present Governor of Odisha, Ganeshi Lal, the present Governor of Odisha. Now next question, the first water plus city The first water plus city of India. Answer: Indore city. Indore city. Indore city is the first water plus city of India. That maintains the cleanliness in the rivers and drains under the Swachh Sarvekshan. Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. Now Indore city. Indore city. Now Indore city is the cleanest city of India. Yeah, for fifth time. For fifth time. From fifth time. Indore city, city of MP, Madhya Pradesh. Indore city of Madhya Pradesh. The present CM, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, yeah, MP, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And present governor Mangu Bhai, Chhagan Bhai Patel, the present governor of Madhya Pradesh. The present governor of Madhya Pradesh. The present governor of Madhya Pradesh. Now, B. Venkataraman. V. Venkataraman appointed the new director of Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Now question from Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. It is located at Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu. It is located at Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Now another question. Kashmir willow bats got GI tag. GI में geographical indication, GI tag in 2021. Kashmir willow bats. Now at present, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. Lieutenant Governor at present, Manoj Sinha, present Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Chhattisgarh state started Bajra mission bracket or millet mission, MILLET millet mission in 2021. Chhattisgarh state started Bajra mission 21. Now next question from Chhattisgarh. The present CM Chief Minister of Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel and Governor of Chhattisgarh. Governor of Chhattisgarh, Anusuya Uke, UIKE. Anusuya Uke is the present governor of Chhattisgarh. Now, next question from Latpura Khas village, Kongthong village, Kongthong village. Now based on Latpura Khas village of Madhya Pradesh, MP, and Kothang village of Meghalaya, and Pochampally village of Telangana, nominated Telangana, nominated for the best tourism, best tourism villages category in the United Nations in the United Nations, World Tourism, World Tourism, World Tourism, World Tourism, Tourism Organization, award. Ladapura Khas village, Kongthong village of Meghalaya, Pochampally village of Telangana, nominated for the best tourism villages category in the United Nations World Tourism Organization Award in 2021. Now, World Tourism Day. Next question, World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day. On 27th September. World Tourism Day. 27th September. World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day. Next question from Cuttle fish, Katili. Cuttle fish declared as the state fish, cuttle fish declared as the state fish of the Sikkim state. Cuttle fish is the state fish of Sikkim. The state fish of Sikkim. Now, present CM, Chief Minister of Sikkim, Prem Singh Tamang. The present Chief Minister of Sikkim. Now present Governor of Sikkim, Ganga Prasad. The present Governor of Sikkim. Now, next question. World's highest movie theater. World highest movie theater located recently in Ladakh. Now, present world highest movie theater located opened in recently in Ladakh. Present Ladakh, world highest theater. Now, next question. White onion and vada kolam, vada kolam rice of Maharashtra. White onion and vada kolam rice of Maharashtra got GI tag. What GI tag? Now next question. Nirod Kumar Barua awarded Gopinath Bardoloi BORDO Bardoloi award from the state Assam, Mitra Shakti military exercise between India and Sri Lanka. Mitra Shakti military exercise between India and Sri Lanka. Now Bathukama. Next question. Bathukama festival. Bathukama festival recently celebrated in Telangana. Bathukama festival is celebrated in Telangana. Bathukama festival. Now next question. Now Kovalam Beach, KOVA, Kovalam Beach of Tamil Nadu, and Eden Beach, of Puducherry, were declared blue flag certification, in 2021. Kovalam Beach and Tamil Nadu, Kovalam Beach of Tamil Nadu and Eden Beach of Puducherry got the blue flag certification in 2001. Now at present Now at present 10 beaches of India got blue flag certification, blue flag of certification by the foundation for by the Foundation for Environment Education in Denmark. Blue flag. Now, Dr. Randeep Guleria. Now, Dr. Randeep Guleria awarded the Lal Bahadur, awarded the 22nd Lal Bahadur, awarded Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award, National Award, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award. Dr. Randeep Guleria awarded the 22nd Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award.